The power of Istighfar, a rain story. Once, during a time of drought, a village faced severe water shortages. Crops were dying and people were desperate. One day, a wise elder gathered the villagers and reminded them of the power of Istighfar, seeking forgiveness from Allah. He explained that sometimes calamities are a result of sins, and repentance can bring about relief and blessings. The elder encouraged everyone to sincerely ask for forgiveness and turn back to Allah. The villagers, realizing their need for mercy, began to recite Istighfar, asking for Allah's forgiveness with sincere hearts. Miraculously, shortly after their repentance, the skies darkened and rain began to fall. The drought was broken, the crops revived, and the village flourished again. This rain wasn't just a physical blessing. It was a sign of Allah's mercy in response to their repentance. The story illustrates that Istighfar has the power to transform one's situation. Through seeking forgiveness, a person not only cleanses their soul but also invites Allah's mercy, which can change the course of their destiny. It reminds us that sincere repentance can bring relief, blessings, and even miracles when least expected.